Good afternoon, year ones. This is Office Practice English Learning Papers. Firstly, we're going to look at the hardware and software of a computer. So a computer consists of two main parts, namely hardware and software. What is hardware? Hardware is the parts that you can touch. And then what is software? Software is the instructions that the computer needs to do something useful with, like your applications. So here's a nice picture to show you what is hardware and what is software. Computer hardware contains computer parts. So you have your monitor, your screen, but we call it a monitor. We have the keyboard, a mouse and mouse pad, your speaker if you do have speakers, the printer and the computer or computer box. Computer software is your Office packet. That would be your Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. We have Paint. We have Windows Media Player. We have the Internet. And there's different applications or browsers that you can use for the Internet. Then we're going to look at the keyboard. Home row is in the middle of your keyboard, so that would be ASDF, JKL, comma punt. Then we move to the top row, QWERTY. It spells out QWERTY, as you can see, QWERT, and then UIOP. And then we look at the bottom row. That would be ZXCV, NM, comma, full stop, and a dash or a slash. We also look at numbers. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And on this side, you will also find the numbers, but not on this keyboard, for instance. Then the correct sitting posture versus incorrect sitting postures. On the left-hand side, this man is sitting correctly. And on the right-hand side, this man is sitting incorrectly. So the 5 areas that you must pay attention to avoid an incorrect sitting position is: number 1, eyes. Make sure the screen is about 70 centimeters from your face. 2, shoulders. Hunching shoulders while typing is a common mistake. Number 3, feet and legs. Do not cross your legs or tuck your feet behind your chair. Number 4, neck and head. If your computer screen is too far, you will project your neck towards the screen to be able to see. Number 5, lower back. Pain in the lower back is a result of stooping forward or sitting on the edge of your seat. So now we're moving on to computer care. So how to take care of storage medias, compact disc, and flash drives. Do not touch the media inside. Keep away from magnets. Do not put heavy objects on media. And protect from heat, dust, water, and other things that can damage the media. And lastly, do not bend or stack to avoid scratching the surface. Now, computer care, how to take care of the monitor, the keyboard, and the mouse. Turn off your computer. That's your first step. Unplug the monitor from the power. If using a laptop, unplug the laptop. Number 3, use a soft, clean cloth moistened with water to wipe the screen, keyboard, and mouse. Now we go on to the printer. The printer and how to clean the printer. Clean the outside of the printer with a damp cloth. Do not use ammonia-based cleaners like Handy Andy. Clean out inside a printer with a dry cloth. A toner certified vacuum cleaner can be used if you have one. And cartridge nozzles can be cleaned manually by using distilled water and a damp cotton swabs. Study hard, know your work. Good luck. You can do it, guys. Enjoy.